Here is how to fix your AdSense for YouTube account. So if you are seeing the error message, let's say you've actually reached 1000 subscribers and 4000 watch hour, and you want to apply for YouTube partnership program. You've accepted their terms and condition, and you linked an AdSense account to your YouTube studio, and suddenly after a few hours you got a rejection message showing this error message like this on the screen, and you are confused on what to do. In this video, I'm going to simply show you what to simply do if you fall victim to something like this. So guys, let's dive right into the video. If this is the first time you're coming across this channel, hit the subscribe button and notification bell as well to be the first to get updated whenever I drop helpful tips like this on this channel. So the first step you need to take, now let's say you applied for YouTube monetization program and added your AdSense. I got a shocking message telling me that I have other AdSense accounts. So I was confused because I did not actually have any other AdSense account. I'm actually new on YouTube and I don't have any other AdSense accounts. So this was what I actually did. I went through my Gmail to check if any of them have an AdSense account on it. That was when I was able to discover one. I remember that I actually created an AdSense account then when I was actually starting the YouTube channel, because I was able to learn that the AdSense account is actually necessary for the YouTube monetization, and I used that Gmail then to create the AdSense, and that was why AdSense was rejecting the new one I just added to YouTube, because they thought I have two AdSense accounts. So this is what I actually did. So I went to the other AdSense account just like this. Now the next step I took was to click on the three line icon at the top left corner of the screen like this. So when you do that, the next step you need to take is to click on settings, then go ahead and click on account information. So this is where you're going to see the information about your AdSense accounts. So in order for you to close that AdSense account, you need to go ahead and click on close account, because you need to only have one AdSense account. You can only have one AdSense account. If you misuse it, then you won't be able to have any other AdSense accounts. You can only have one. So you need to close any other one you have and use only one. So right here, you need to check this box like this and click on close account. So with that being done, you've been able to close your AdSense account. If you have any other Gmail that you think you have an AdSense account on, you just need to go to the Gmail and check if that Gmail is linked to any AdSense account and close it just like this. Once you're done closing it just like this, the next step you need to take is to go back to your YouTube Studio app and link the new one. So if after closing all your AdSense accounts, you need to go to your YouTube Studio and link a new one, you can actually try creating a new Gmail account and link it to your YouTube Studio. Once that is done, you're going to see this page like this showing you in progress. So you just need to be patient enough. When I say patient, I mean patient. You just need to be patient enough, because you need to wait for at least 2 to 3 weeks before you are going to see a message on what next to do. At this stage, if you decide to report to YouTube, YouTube won't be able to help you, because YouTube and AdSense are just two different things. Although they are actually working under Google, but they're actually different things. So you just need to be patient enough after doing and following these steps by closing all your AdSense accounts and linking a new fresh one, or linking it to the one that you want to use. So in my own case, I had to wait for 8 days before I was able to receive a message on my YouTube Studio app. Going to the end section like this, I was able to see that the sign up for AdSense is now successfully linked to YouTube. This was after waiting for 8 days. So patience is actually a key when it comes to this AdSense linking of it in. So going to the web browser like this and searching for AdSense login, and click on sign in like this. Now looking here was the AdSense that actually linked to my YouTube account. So if you are seeing this $sign on yours, it actually means that you've been able to successfully link the AdSense to your YouTube account, and you no longer have problem with your AdSense and YouTube linking. So this is how simple it is to actually do this. Hope you found this video helpful. Now hit the like button, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be the first to get updated whenever I upload helpful videos like this. See you in the next one.